Hi, this is downtown Hill City, South Dakota at Dahl's, D-A-H-L-S, Chainsaw Art, Dahl's Chainsaw Art. There is a ton of stuff there. There are eagles, there are owls, there are just all kinds of different wood art. And there's a sign out there that says it has the biggest smoky in the world. It is huge, very, very huge. I did not take a picture, but I did do video of it. Absolutely just very nice place. And in addition to that, there's a place next door with a lot of really like metal art, and I took a lot of video of that as well. Very, very nice, very pretty. Okay, I'm picking up right here at West 16, South 385. I went across the street and viewed and took some pictures and video of the trains and steam locomotive. And now I'm heading back into town, and we'll probably make that a separate video. So I'm headed back to town now. Okay, I'm up here to what they call Dahl's Chainsaw Art. And this apparently is Smokey. Please do not climb on Smokey. That is huge. Wow. Okay, here's a beautiful eagle. Looks like some red birds. This guy's got some really nice carvings. I wanted to take some video and pictures of some others, but there were kids on it and I couldn't. Another eagle. More bears. These are, mama bear with a baby in her back. There's an owl. Okay, I'm not sure. Apes. Or, no, I don't think they're apes. I think they're supposed to be cavemen. Or humanoids. It says owl attack. $750. Oh, this is cool. Yep, you can see owl attack, $750. There's some more. Okay, I'm back down to the downtown area, and I've left the place that does the chainsaw art. That was a cool place. I had the lady say that run the place that does chainsaw. She's the one who does a lot of the art. Said she's actually from Germany. Oh, this is cool. Like rugs. Here's some more interesting stuff. There's one I like. The little Volkswagen Bug. And the little yellow birdie. Cool Harley Davidson trucks. Okay, this is interesting. There's a flamingo on a bicycle. Okay, this is really cool. Disco ball. Okay, this must have been the original Hill City Jail. Here's something from Chevy. Oh my gosh, there's more stuff out here. This guy's got a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm gonna walk downtown a little bit now. Okay, it's getting late now and I'm getting ready to leave the downtown area. Still pretty crowded and I'm getting really hungry. Okay, I am at the end of the road. I'm almost to my car and I'm ready to go get something to eat and head to my last stop of the night. As you can see, there's nothing down here. Just beyond there is the Quality Inn, and I will gonna go down to the Quality Inn and check and see if they have any availability. I'm sure the rates are pretty high, but I'm going to see what the availability looks like. And if the availability is good, then I will book a room, because it'll be right here, very close to Crazy Horse, and not too far from Mount Rushmore. I can check out Keystone too, though, in a day or so. Anyway, so I'm here and I'm ready to get in my car and go down to the motel, and then it's very loud out here. Then I will head on down. I can head downtown and get something to eat at one of those restaurants or cafes. For some reason, well, I had it in my head that I was just going to eat a little tuna tonight. Don't know why, just a little tuna. That seemed something that would be good, good, light. I know I've been kind of hurting and sick every day, and I'm not sure if it has something to do with the sandwiches I'm getting. I'm getting sandwiches from the truck stop, or truck stops rather, but they're just turkey and cheese. I mean, I don't see what could be in the turkey and cheese that would make me sick, but I don't know. I don't look at the ingredients. I don't see what the additives are. It's been late and I'm hungry and I pick it up. Anyway, but for some reason, I'm craving, I don't know why, maybe a hamburger, a McDonald's, I don't know why, but I passed a restaurant down there and it was not the hamburger, it was ketchup. I'm sure they were making fries, I guess, but I got a whiff of ketchup and now I want fries. Anyway, so I've walked a little further than I intended. I am ready to go. So I will be back with you guys. I'm gonna go pull a couple of the videos to organize the videos when I get to my car, and then I'm gonna head down to the hotel, I'm gonna check the hotel rates first. I'm just gonna call them first and see what their rates are. If they're no good, then oh well. There is no McDonald's here, but I'm not excessively far from Rapid City. Depends on how this goes. If they've got availability, then I'll grab something from one of the downtown restaurants. If they don't have availability, then I'll head back to Rapid City and maybe grab something from McDonald's, because I am really hungry now. It just all of a sudden it hit me. I walked downtown, took a bunch of pictures, took video, and then boom, just the hunger hit me. Anyway, it's getting late, so, and again, I'm in downtown Hill City, big tourist area, not far from Crazy Horse, not far from Mount Rushmore, and not far from Rapid City in South Dakota. Anyway, so I'll get back with you guys a little bit later, maybe do a wrap. Anyway, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay, the Quality Inn did not have any availability. I kind of thought it might not. It's a Saturday, so it's going to be a lot of people here, a lot of tourists. Anyway, so I couldn't get a room, so I'm headed back to Rapid City, probably to the truck stop. I am very tired. I'm very sleepy. I went to sleep really late last night. I wasn't feeling that good. I felt really bad yesterday, and I felt kind of under the weather this morning as well. I feel a little better now after I seem to feel better after I eat a snack. Anyway, I need to eat something else. Also, I just now remember there's a couple things in Walmart that I forgot that I didn't get. So I'll have to stop by there again tomorrow and get what I forgot. I'm not stopping tonight. I have time, but I'm not. I'm too tired. I just want to go either eat tuna or go and get something from McDonald's and just eat and call it a night. I am very tired. Anyway, I don't feel like I said, I don't feel like looking around, calling other hotels, I just don't feel like really doing anything. I have to eat, and it's pretty much a straight shot. I have to eat, and I'm very tired, and this is pretty much a straight shot right back to Rapid City. So it's starting to get dark, and I'm going to end this video now, head back to Rapid City. Hopefully the truck stop won't be too overly crowded tonight. It was pretty darn crowded last night. Anyway, hopefully I can find a place to park. I hope. There's a place across the street, though, Common Sense. It too is probably 24 hours, and I think the Sinclair is 24 hours, but it might not be. I take that back. I think I looked and it's not 24. So anyways, I'll just have to do what I have to do. Hopefully make do. It'll just have to work. Anyway, that said, I'm going to end this video, and I hope everyone has a good week. God bless. Peace.